Jyre, and in this video I'm going to show you a CharacterScope Viewpoints report and where you can find your Viewpoints report in the CharacterScope platform. Once you've got feedback from at least 2 people, you'll be invited to work through session 4 in your personal journey, and we do recommend going through that digital coaching session to guide you through your results before you go into the full report that's linked within that session. If you do want to just access your full report though, you can do that from your home page. Click on Viewpoints, the tile here, and that will take you into your full Viewpoints report. This report updates every time you get a new piece of feedback, so it will change as you get more feedback from other people. And in this example, you can see for Vicky Hope, on the left is the solo view, so how she sees herself, and on the right, an aggregate view of how other people see her. You can click around on your report to see what each of these colours mean, and the bigger the shape, so circle represented in the solo view or a diamond in the viewpoints view, so the bigger the shape, the stronger the fit to that leadership style. So take a look at your report, have a click around, see where the similarities and differences are. Then 7 things to know about how others see you. My personal favourite is number 4. People say feedback is a gift, but some people don't give very good presents. So don't feel that you have to treasure all feedback. Do bear that in mind as you're working through your Viewpoints feedback. In the next section, you'll see who's contributed to your Viewpoints report. You can also invite more people, and you can also create custom Viewpoints reports. So slice up your data depending on different areas of your life. And do check out our YouTube channel if you'd like to see a video tutorial on how to do that. And then the next section, you can see here, there's 2 circles plotted for each respondent. So each circle represents how that person sees your 2 best fit leader types. In this example, 6 people saw Vicky as practical best fit, also professional and servant were 3 people, but no one had charismatic or transformational as best fit. And although you won't see the full report unless those individuals share it with you, you can see how each respondent sees your 2 best fit leader types. So in this section here, you can have a look at how those individuals saw your 2 best fit leader types, and you can click on here to see what each of them mean as a prompt. And the same with least fit. So there's 2 circles plotted for each respondent, and they represent how that person sees your 2 least fit leader types. And again, you can see how those plot for each individual. In this graph, it's the same data that we showed in the head, just represented a different way. So this plots the average of your fit to profile scores with each of the 9 different leader types. And again, you can click around on here to get a description, see the fit, and it's all very interactive. Before we take you into the strength mapping, so you would have seen this in your solo report, and this is exactly the same list of words, but in the order of how your friends, family, colleagues see you. And there's a great section in session 4 of the personal journey where you can see the 2 lists side by side. So you can have a look at how you see yourself, click on each item to see where they appear on your Viewpoints reports. I've also linked below a really great resource for you to work with that feedback as well, the 3 lists exercise. Really interesting insights to come out of that, working with that resource. Here you'll get a Viewpoints comparison. So we've picked out 3 items where the scores really differ from where you've rated yourself compared to how other people rate you. Different people use different ranges on the scale, so we have adjusted the results here so that it shows the same range as you did. But you'll be able to see here where there's a biggest difference in how other people viewed you. So where they rated you higher than you rated yourself, and also 3 where they rate you lower than you rate yourself. So really interesting to look at that. Key strengths and a brief description of your top 5. And your potential blind spots are the bottom 5 in your strength mapping list. This head here portrays the points of views of your respondents just in that one image, so on the right hand side that we showed you at the top of the report. And once you've digested that information, you can move on to session 5 in the personal journey and select a strength that you can develop in our app. So that'll take you through thinking about which leadership styles you'd really like to develop and picking a strength from there. We'll recommend some strengths that you can work with. I hope you found that helpful, and if you'd like to be notified about other videos in this series, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications.